Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on restoring your Nintendo Switch to factory settings. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the home screen of your Nintendo, open up the System Settings. Scroll all the way down the System Settings and tap on System. Then scroll all the way down the right sidebar menu and tap on Formatting Options. Scroll down Formatting Options and tap on Restore Factory Settings. Read the information and then tap Next. Tap Next again. Then tap Restore Factory Settings. Your Nintendo Switch will be restored to the factory settings. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Nintendo tips and tricks.